आजकल आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो, द ग्रिल सेक्शन या तंदूर सेक्शन इज ऑलवेज पॉपुलर. मलाई ब्रोकली, तंदूरी अरबी, हरियाली मशरूम्स. तो चले, लेट्स स्टार्ट मेकिंग दिस फैंटास्टिक प्लैटर ऑफ ग्रिल. My first is Malai Broccoli. Let's start with that. Now, all the three recipes have something common, something amazing. What do they have? They have Emami, healthy and tasty Kachchi Ghani mustard oil, the strong flavor. So I'm going to be using this for everything. You know why? Because of its flavor and taste, and that smokiness of this oil will give that lovely smoky flavor in this kitchen because I don't have a tandoor. Let's start cooking. First things first, I have dahi. Okay, dahi ko humne kya kiya hai? I've actually hung it in a strainer, and I've got this really nice thick. Dekho, thick curd. You need a thick curd for the marination. Okay, so I've got about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of hung curd, to which I'm going to be adding green chilli paste, ginger garlic paste. Okay, these are your basic stuff which you use anyways. Flavoring के लिए white pepper or Elaichi powder. Okay, sometimes you wonder that how you get that lovely khushbu in that. Well, it is that. To this we are adding a little bit of cream. Okay, just a little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon, and then I'm adding about a tablespoon of corn flour. Okay. To this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of cheese to this, which is optional as well, it's up to you. And then, hamara Kachchi Ghani strong mustard oil. Perfect. Now, broccoli को हमने बिल्कुल blanch किया है. Blanch यानी कि क्या? Boiling salted hot water में about 40 सेकंड के लिए मैंने डाला है. Then I refreshed it in cold water, and you get this lovely green, firm, just blanched broccoli. The rest marination के बाद skewer, and which we'll talk about. So we're going to give this a little whisk. Lovely. You can add some garam masala into this. It gets a nice flavor. But मुझे काफी balance चाहिए because my other 2 recipes काफी तीखी हैं. Okay. So we've got this lovely marinade here, which I'm going to put this on the side, and then just going to lightly coat these just like this. Okay, beautiful. So we coat them and we put this on the side. I've got my malai broccoli as well. Sometimes you can also add a little bit of kasuri methi to this. Methi malai, you can add some black pepper if you want to make it like even more spicier, but I'm okay with this. अभी हमने इसको मैरिनेट कर दिया है. Now I'm going to just put it on a skewer and rest it and continue to my next variation. So we've got broccoli florets beautifully arranged on this. Okay, and we're just going to rest it right here. Okay, I also have a little bit of marination which I will put on the top, and I'm going to rest it here. Beautiful. Broccoli marination done. Next, arbi. Arbi is also called taro root, colocasia, a beautiful tuber. Okay, it's got a really good flavor. Curries बोलते हैं, सिंधी आलू टुक बनाते हैं, इसकी चाट भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. My mom used to marinate it like almost like a tandoori style, if you know what I mean. And this also on skewers is beautiful. Now for the marinade. So here, basically just like broccoli, बिल्कुल वही है ये. So 2 tablespoons of hung curd. I've got about a quarter kilo, about 250 grams of cooked peeled arbi here. अभी इसमें डालेंगे spices, of course. Ajwain पड़ता है इसमें for sure. Okay, We have some lovely Ajwain here, gives that lovely flavor to it. And then we have a little bit of Jeera powder. We have a decent amount of red chilli powder. थोड़ी सी हल्दी भी जाएगी. And then we have some chaat masala, very important ingredient in this recipe. Then namak, स्वाद अनुसार थोड़ी सी. And then we have over here some besan, about 2 tablespoons of besan. Last recipe I had used corn flour. The corn flour helps to hold everything together. So that's the binding factor. यहाँ पे क्या है? बेसन है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? I'm also going to be adding a little bit of lemon juice as well. थोड़ा सा like 1 teaspoon of a lemon juice. And then the quintessential Emami Kachchi Ghani mustard oil, the strong variant, about a tablespoon. And then we're going to give this a nice whisk here. Also, मैं यहाँ पे भूल गया, अदरक और लहसुन का paste also very important. Perfect. You can also put kasuri methi, it gives a nice touch to it, but I'm saving that for something else. Perfect. Next, हम डालेंगे हमारे अरबी इसमें अभी. Perfect. तो अरबी हमने इसमें डाल दी है. अभी इसे हम थोड़ा सा अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर देते हैं. Lovely. So you got a very nice, lovely marination going on here. Beautiful. Perfect. तो अभी हम इसे skewers पे डाल देते हैं. So we have our Arbi going in here as well. Beautiful. Now one thing you have to be careful. अगर आप अरबी को कुछ ज़्यादा ही पकाएंगे ना, तो it's not going to hold like this. The idea is that you have to just cook it perfectly. Like I boil it, very simple. A lot of people like to use the pressure cooker, but then I'm not an expert at the pressure cooker, okay? I can control the cooking myself, okay? Now you can see, got a beautiful coating here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this extra marinade on the side, which we could use to actually just brush this. Look how beautiful this is. Perfect. Nice. And we're going to put this on the side. Third marination, haryali ya green chutney mushroom wale. Now the combination of a green chutney which is slightly spicy along with that mushroom is like wow. So let's start making a quick green chutney or a green marinade. I have some coriander here. I have some mint leaves here. Okay, almost I would say, yeah, the same amount. I like to keep the stems as well. They give a nice, good, beautiful flavor to this. Perfect. So we have then we have a little bit of garlic, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, a knob, like maybe 1 green chilli should be good. Don't want to make it too spicy. Perfect. Some ginger in here. Juice of half a lemon. Perfect. So these are going to be the initial first marinade, first mix, and then I'm going to be adding my other spices which we will talk about. So first things first, let's really blend this very quickly. Beautiful. So हमारी ये जो green chutney type paste, okay, बिल्कुल हमारे it seems like जैसे सील बट्टे में बनाई है हमने. इसके बाद अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें मसाले. तो पहले तो नमक स्वाद अनुसार, फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा जीरा का पाउडर, हम डालेंगे फिर इसमें चाट मसाला, and then some garam masala. Okay, we've got these amazing things going on here. और फिर अब इसमें डालेंगे हमारी thick hung curd, about 2 या 3 चमचे. Perfecto. Then we have besan in this case to bind it, just like the other one. So about a tablespoon of besan should be fine here. And then we're just going to give this a nice mix. So one thing which is, I would say, is the star of this marinations in all three of them is mustard oil. Emami, healthy and tasty, Kachchi Ghani mustard oil, that too strong. Now this is made with top quality mustard. जो quality जो rice में use होती है, it's another level. And then of course is that whole cold press thing. इसकी जो झांझ है, it is amazing. Also remember, if you don't get a kick when you try or taste any mustard oil, means it's not happening. और इसकी जो झांझ है, जो kick which you get, your nostrils open up. It is so beautiful. Now look, we've got this really nice marination ready. Lovely. Into which we are going to be adding our mushrooms. Lovely. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So we have our beautiful. We have our mushrooms coming up. ये हमारी शानदार मैरिनेशन रेडी. अभी हम इसको एक मिनट चेक करो. Oh yes. अगर आप oven को यूज कर रहे हो, preheat your oven to about 200 degrees, nice and hot. अगर आपको pan fry कर रहे हैं, आप ये pan fry कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास तंदूर शंदूर घर पे है, you know why not. But I have a very nice style of presenting it, which you will see. It's just amazing. तो पहले हम हमारे जो मशरूम्स हैं डाल देते हैं इसमें. तो clearly Malai Broccoli, Tandoori Arbi and haryali mushrooms. 3 beautiful flavors, preheated oven, 200 degrees inside, just to char them really nicely. Beautiful, about 9 to 10 minutes max. Brilliant. Oh yes, a lovely smoky, gorgeous ensemble of your this, and then next level finishing. So we have a little bit of हमारा mustard oil going in here. We've got a beautiful coating. The Arbi also, amazing. Now, I've got these live charcoals right here, which we are going to be giving a nice, lovely, smoky effect. Lovely. And then amazing. So we have our fantastic tandoori platter here. We have our tandoori platter in which my hero is, if you ask me, the Kachchi Ghani mustard oil right here. And then we just sprinkle it with some lovely chaat masala on here. Thoda sa neembu ka ras to go over this. Cooking is not like rocket science. You have to be a little organized, and believe me, you have some great recipes available on my channel. Zara thoda sa like कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए. तो presenting you कच्ची घानी मस्टर्ड ऑयल के साथ बना हुआ मेरा तंदूरी प्लेटर. Enjoy.